Dubai-inspired chocolate can make birthday parties in Dubai extra special and luxurious. Incorporating rich, decadent chocolate flavors and unique presentation styles can add a touch of elegance and excitement to any celebration. Here are some creative ideas for using Dubai-style chocolate at birthday parties. Customized chocolate bars or truffles. Personal chocolate bars. You can have chocolate bars customized with the guest of honor's name, photo, or a special message. These could be wrapped in elegant foil or themed packaging like gold and black, which reflect the luxury of Dubai. Exotic chocolate truffles. Serve truffles made with unique Dubai-inspired flavors, such as rose, saffron, or Arabic coffee. These can be presented in a beautiful box or arranged in an elegant display. Chocolate fountains. A chocolate fountain can be a central feature at a birthday party, where guests can dip marshmallows, fruits like strawberries, bananas, and grapes, and even traditional Middle Eastern sweets like baklava or kunafa into a cascade of smooth, flowing chocolate. For a Dubai twist, you can include premium chocolates like dark chocolate with a hint of saffron or rose flavors, creating a truly indulgent experience. Chocolate-themed cake. A chocolate birthday cake decorated with luxury Dubai-inspired elements like edible gold leaf, pistachios, and dates can be a showstopper at the party. A saffron-infused chocolate ganache or Arabic coffee mousse filling can add a unique touch that guests will remember. You can also opt for a multi-layered cake with rosewater chocolate frosting and crushed pistachios on top, reflecting Dubai's fusion of rich traditions and modern flavors. Chocolate-covered dates. Dates are a quintessential part of Dubai's culture, and dipping them in rich, dark, or milk chocolate makes for a delightful treat. Serve them as bite-sized snacks or place them on a decorative platter. You could even stuff the dates with nuts like pistachios or almonds before dipping them in chocolate for an added crunch and flavor. Chocolate dessert bar. Set up a chocolate dessert bar with various chocolate treats like chocolate mousse, chocolate-covered strawberries, and chocolate-dipped Arabic sweets. Guests can customize their own dessert plates by picking from a variety of chocolate-infused options. Dubai-themed chocolate goodie bags for party favors. Consider gifting guests Dubai-inspired chocolate boxes or chocolate bars wrapped in opulent designs. Think gold, glitter, or intricate Middle Eastern patterns. Add special touches like edible gold leaf, pistachios, and even saffron chocolate for an extra luxurious experience. You can also include small packets of Arabic coffee or rose-flavored chocolate as part of the goodie bags for an authentic Dubai experience.
In Dubai, chocolate is not just a treat but a luxurious experience. The city is home to a variety of chocolate brands, shops, and even chocolate-themed experiences that reflect its opulence and innovation. Here are a few popular types of chocolate and places to try chocolate in Dubai. Luxury chocolate brands. Pachi, a premium Lebanese chocolate brand, Pachi has a significant presence in Dubai. Diva. This Belgian luxury chocolate brand has a strong presence in Dubai, offering fine chocolates and unique chocolate creations with a rich, smooth texture. Lederach. Known for its Swiss craftsmanship, Lederach offers handcrafted chocolates with high-quality ingredients. The Frishagi fresh chocolate is particularly popular. Chocolatier du Monde. This Dubai-based artisanal chocolate brand offers luxurious handmade chocolates with rich Middle Eastern flavors like dates, saffron, and cardamom. Chocolate experiences in Dubaiko Colate Souk at Dubai Mall, a must-visit for chocolate lovers. This souk features a variety of gourmet chocolate shops where you can find exotic truffles, pralines, and Dubai-inspired chocolate flavors. Chocolate classes and workshops. Several places in Dubai offer chocolate-making workshops where you can learn to create your own gourmet chocolates. The Chocolate Academy in Dubai is a popular destination for those interested in learning the art of chocolate making. Dubai-inspired chocolate flavors. Dates and caramel. Dubai is famous for its dates, and many local chocolate brands combine this iconic fruit with chocolate to create sweet and chewy treats. Rose and saffron. Middle Eastern flavors like rose water and saffron are often infused into chocolates in Dubai, creating a unique and aromatic taste. Arabic coffee kawa. The blend of Arabic coffee with chocolate is popular in Dubai, creating a rich, flavorful combination that reflects the local culture. Pistachios and almonds. These nuts are commonly incorporated into chocolates for added texture and flavor, reflecting the rich culinary traditions of the region. Chocolate cafes and dessert spa Chocolate Boutique, located in Dubai Design District. This boutique offers a wide variety of chocolates and decadent desserts with a focus on luxury ingredients. Maxie's Chocolate Bar. Sweetened to tasted depending on the chocolate you use, you may want to adjust the sweetness. Dates naturally sweeten the chocolate, but if you prefer a sweeter version, add a bit of honey or maple syrup to the melted chocolate. 6. Add a touch of salt. A pinch of sea salt on top of the chocolate not only enhances the flavors but also contrasts with the sweetness. It's especially great with dark chocolate. 7. Chill properly. After you pour the chocolate into molds or a tray, be sure to chill it for at least 2 to 3 hours in the fridge for it to set. This will help the chocolate harden properly and retain its shape. 8. Make it festive with edible gold. For a luxurious Dubai-style treat, you can top the chocolate with edible gold leaf. It adds a touch of elegance and makes the chocolate feel extra special. 9. Presentation concert. Wrapping the chocolate in gold or patterned foil for a beautiful gift or presentation. Dubai is known for its luxurious packaging, so a well-presented chocolate treat can make it even more enjoyable. These tips can help you create a delicious and authentic Dubai-inspired chocolate that's both visually stunning and packed with rich, exotic flavors. Simple recipe for making a Dubai-inspired chocolate treat. This recipe combines rich chocolate with a touch of Middle Eastern flavors like rose water and dates, which are popular in Dubai and the UAE. Prepare the dates. Chop the medjool dates into small pieces. These will add natural sweetness and a chewy texture to the chocolate. Melt the chocolate. Break the dark and milk chocolate into pieces and melt them gently using a double boiler or microwave. If using the microwave, heat the chocolate in 30-second intervals, stirring after each to prevent burning. Once the chocolate is fully melted, stir in the rose water. Mix in dates and nuts. Fold the chopped dates and pistachios if using into the melted chocolate. If you like your chocolate extra sweet, you can also add a bit of honey or maple syrup at this stage. Set the chocolate. Pour the chocolate mixture into a parchment-lined baking tray or silicone molds. Spread it out evenly. Chill. Place the tray in the refrigerator for at least 2 to 3 hours, or until the chocolate has fully set. Serve. Once set, break or cut the chocolate into squares. Sprinkle a pinch of sea salt on top for a nice contrast, if desired. Enjoy your Dubai-inspired chocolate. It's rich, fragrant, and combines the best of Middle Eastern ingredients with delicious chocolate. Some tips for making Dubai-inspired chocolate to enhance the flavor, texture, and presentation. Use high-quality chocolate for the best flavor. Choose good quality chocolate with a high cocoa percentage. 70% dark chocolate is ideal. It gives the chocolate a deeper flavor and smooth texture. Add Middle Eastern flavors. Rose water. A small amount of rose water adds a distinctive floral flavor typical of Middle Eastern sweets. Use it sparingly, as it can be overpowering. Saffron. For a luxurious twist, you can infuse a small pinch of saffron in warm milk or cream and add it to your melted chocolate. This gives a rich, exotic flavor. Dates. Medjool dates are a sweet, chewy addition that ties into the Middle Eastern theme. Make sure to chop them finely for a better texture. Cardamom. This spice is often used in Dubai desserts. A pinch of ground cardamom can elevate the chocolate with a warm, aromatic note. Temper the chocolate for gloss. If you want a smooth, glossy finish to your chocolate, try tempering it. This process involves heating and cooling the chocolate to specific temperatures, which helps it set with a shiny finish and a nice snap when broken. Incorporate crunchy texture-setting ingredients like crushed pistachios, almonds, or cashews brings a satisfying crunch. These nuts are also common in Middle Eastern desserts. You can lightly toast the nuts to bring out their flavor before adding them to the chocolate mixture.